Have you ever felt drained, unmotivated, or disconnected even when you're doing all the right things? Here's the truth. Your energy isn't just physical. It's deeply connected to your mind and emotions. In today's video, we are going to explore the science of mind-body energy and how ancient practice like the 5 Tibetan Rites can help you recharge, rebalance, and rejuvenate your entire system. I started practicing the 5 Tibetan Rites years ago, and what I discovered completely transformed my health, focus, and vitality. So let's dive in and unlock your inner power. The hidden energy is within you. Your body isn't just muscles and bones. It's a living field of energy. Every emotion, every thought, every breath influence how energy flows through your body. When your energy is blocked, you feel tired, anxious, and off balance. But when it flows freely, your body naturally begins to heal. Your mood lifts and your vitality returns. Ancient traditions like yoga, qigong, and the 5 Tibetan Rites all teach one universal truth. Energy is the foundation of health. Modern science is catching up, showing that movement, breathwork, and mindfulness directly impact the nervous system, hormones, and even cellular regeneration. So the 5 Tibetan Rites are the series of simple yet powerful movements practiced for thousands of years by Tibetan monks. They're often called the fountain of youth, not because they stop time, but because they restore energy flow throughout the body energy centers or chakras. Each rite targets the specific system. Rite 1, spinning, balances energy flow and improves focus. Rite 2, legs raising, straightens the core and stimulates digestion. Rite 3, camel pose variation, opens the heart and lungs, enhancing vitality. Rite 4, tabletop, balance the throat and heart chakra, improving posture and breathing. And Rite 5, down dog to upper dog, rejuvenate the spine and boost circulation. When practiced daily, these movements take less than 15 minutes, yet they awaken every energy center in your body. The result? More vitality, balance, and emotional clarity. The mind-body energy science. Here's where the science meets the spiritual. When you move intentionally and focus on breath, you activate the vagus nerve, calming stress, and increase oxygen and circulation, boosting cellular energy. You stimulate the endocrine system, balancing hormones naturally. This is why people who practice energy-based movement often report glowing skin, better digestion, sharper thinking, and emotional stability. You are not just exercising, you are reprogramming your nervous system to operate at the higher vibration, integrating the mind-body energy into daily life. You don't have to spend hours meditating or exercising. Just 10-15 minutes of mindful movement paired with deep breathing can reset your entire system. Start small. Do the 5 Tibetan Rites each morning. Take slow, conscious breaths throughout your day. Visual light moving throughout your body, cleansing and energizing you. Over time, you'll notice your energy raising, your stress lowering, and your intuition sharpening. Your body is intelligent. It knows how to heal if you give it the right energy. So if you're ready to unlock your inner power, start with movement, breath, and awareness. The energy you cultivate today will shape your health tomorrow. If this message resonates, give this video a like, subscribe, and join me for more on holistic health, energy healing, and the power of mind-body connection. Until next time, stay balanced, stay radiant, and keep your energy flowing.